This video is showing when you have to combine variables. For example, they're both on the same side. They're not on opposite sides of the equal sign as it was before. So in this case, you still want to be careful. We're only going to add and subtract to get a value of 0 when we're trying to eliminate one from one side or the other. We're not trying to eliminate 4x from the left side and bring it over here. We're actually just trying to combine the 4x with that minus 2x. If it's already on the same side of the equal sign, like both the x's are on the left side of the equal, then what you should be thinking is that 4x minus 2x. You really just read it left to right. We're not eliminating 4x, we're just reading it left to right because they're already on the same side. So when I do that, what's 4x minus 2x? It is 2x plus 7 equals 8. So now you have the constant that's on the same side as the variable. We subtract 7. Now I have 2x, this cancels, equals 1. And in this particular case, we divide by 2. Again, we're trying to get a 1x here. I have x equal, now again, another tale to caution you on. I have seen so many students see 1 divided by 2 and just write 2. They're not realizing if the bottom half is heavy, meaning the bigger numbers on the bottom, it's a fraction. Fractions are what for some of you just avoid like the plague. You're like, can I write 0.5 instead? Well, you can if it terminates like 0.5. Then I'll accept a 1/2 and a 0.5. But if it's like a 0.3333, then it's only an approximate answer. So you want to know that fractions are exact answers, and mathematicians and most of your math teachers are going to prefer exact answers. Okay, now beware of the temptation to add 2x to the negative 2x and the 4x, because like I said, you can go to math jail if you don't keep these signs balanced. Now what's math jail? It's when you're stuck in math class over and over. Because why? Because you failed the class. You don't want to fail the class and be stuck in jail. So that's how some of you view being in math class as being in jail. Okay? But most of you surely will realize the freedom you experience once you can solve equations.